Our LUSD is pushed by the media in this episode, which says a lot to the people. It is coming when the newest person joins, talks about lists, and fires it inbound. We're going to talk about how the XRP chart is set up. Where do we want to go? The map will be very simple from now on, folks. Without further ado, I'll take care of you. Take it easy and sit back. Now let's begin. 124, 324, 300, 100 Bitcoins. This number has gone up by 1.86% in the last 24 hours and by almost 73% in the last 90 days. Ethereum costs $3,913. It has gone up by more than 66%, or 5.28%, in the last 90 days. It is worth noting that both USDT and USDC are trading at the same value as XRP. It's the same as the fix that made the flash crash go down by $2.40 no matter what name we give it. It's gone up by over 328 and about 2% in the past day. Yes, you did hear right. In the last 30 days, the price has gone up by 203%, and in the last 90 days, it has gone up by 328%. Going back in time to the week of Thanksgiving, the price of XRP was still between 50 and 60 cents. XRP had been waiting for a big rise like this for a long time. Here are the new parts of XRP and our predictions for the $3,639 billion cryptocurrency market cap in 25 years. Since we want to include everyone in the Web3 group, we are adding a small amount of Telegram. When it comes to Web3, they're all on Telegram. They hate this place. Discord is more like a place for gamers to gather. I get it. Since we're already on Discord, why not move to Telegram? The people will get there, and it's never too late. Because of this, we are also giving something away. You just need to tag 3 people. I'll do everything I can to make sure they show up in my post. That's all. I'll pick the winner tomorrow. This TL is trading on a little more. We talked about TL more than we should have, but we'll start going into more detail about it now. You can see that it's selling at 4 cents more than 100,000 per day right now. It will blow up when a new trade happens, especially after the DEXs come in. With this, there will be a strong move up. People, I called Curve, and you should listen to TL. I called Velo, HBAR, and Solana. You need to pay attention. There is only 1 XRP right now. Since this is the case, you should get those 9 XRP back in your account. Everything here is important. Remember that every little bit helps. We've got Lust. We talked a lot about Relust on the live show last night. It's going to rise. Relust will be a big player when it comes to stable coins. We all know that Tether is having trouble. Tether was made out of nothing, as everyone knows. No one even knows for sure if the support they say they have is real. They just print money to keep the price of Bitcoin high. Very simple. It's clear to everyone. We've all been told that Tether would die a million times since 2017. At least as long as I've been here. It's likely that people have been talking about Tether and moving for a lot longer. It hasn't changed at all. The USD is a good pick. Moving from one place to another is a real pain. That's what I'm going to say. I gave it a try. There aren't many exchanges that accept it. So Lust is taking over. A lot of the bigger markets are starting to cover and ramp up. A lot of well-known blockchains say that we need to add Lust to our chain. Tron just came out on Sunday. How can we get excited about it? When did he first show up? Yesterday. There will be this stablecoin on all of the big chains. We can see from the data and math that Ripple is now creating. USDC with 20% of the money they have on hand. What will happen to USDC when that mint takes place? What will happen to USDC when 20% of the Ripple funds that are being used to keep this thing tied to the dollar are moved from USDC to Rust? People who want to move money between exchanges but don't want to use Tether because of its high fees and long moving process will use Relust. In the US, it will be listed on Coinbase, Gemini, Crypto.com, and other sites. As you know, we know that Uphold is selling it right away. KuCoin is already being planned. We are going to buy Binance and Bigot. We will get every other swap. What do you think people will do when they want to send money and see how much they can save by using Relust? It's easy to see the answer. We will stop using Tether because RLUST can now trade on both Ethereum and XRP. Instead, they will switch to it. There's no doubt that more networks will be added. Remember that adding RLUST to the XRP ledger makes it easier to burn XRP in the background and improves volume and liquidity. When we talk about how these deals are adding millions or even billions of XRP to the market every day, all the XRP that is burned adds up over time. The amount of XRP we have declines as more of it is burned. How much XRP we have on hand affects how much the price can go up. This method is easy to understand. add up quantity and demand. A lower quantity will also lead to a higher demand, which will make the price go up. We just recently saw XRP go up in value. We could even say that the statement and approval of lust happened just at the right time. Or we could say that XRP was due for a correction, because it recently went up more than 400% and tried its all-time high of $1.96 in 2020, which it was able to hold and now is back to where it was. What will the XRP picture look like in the future? Okay, everyone, it's really clear and very simple. Yesterday, Credible Crypto sent out this tweet. I like the way he writes it because it makes it very easy for people who aren't good with technical analysis plots to understand what's going on. He says it looks strong. With prices around $1.96, the orange zone box is where the new local demand came from. Is that area being checked again? He went on to say that those who want to get in will have a nice long chance. He also says we get something like this picture, it's here. As you can see, that dip into this small orange box that goes into the green below brought us down. We might have reached $1.92. There are no important candles lit up or went out. In fact, they are very close to the all-time high of $1.96 in 2020. You can see the comeback. We get to about $2.40, which is where we are now. So what should happen next? ETH are really one or two things. Either there will be a push to the upside soon, or there will be one more correction back down in a test to see if $1.96 is really the important area we will call our new base or support. Before that correction takes place, we will hit more than $3 XRP. With that push up, we can see that XRP is going to start moving into the $5 range again after that reversal. I'm sure that all coins will have a huge run and breakout in the first quarter of 2025. I think XRP will go up and down between $4 and $8 in the first quarter. That's not all. The tips for parabolic blow-offs, which will come out later in 2025, are still in our now we start to talk about an XRP value in the double digits. How much more can we go up? $10, $20, and $30. Everything is on the table right now. To help me reach my end-of-year goals, I've been keeping track of everything and giving each person a unique number. My only goal was to get the price up above 75 cents, take a short break, and then test again. My goal was to get the price between $1 and 50 cents. We did a lot better than that, which is very positive and changes the price goals and predictions for XRP. This is going to be one of the most exciting bull runs for people who own XRP, and folks, it's about time. Remember it, get ready.